Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest insights and tips to enhance your online presence. Today, we are diving deep into the world of web analytics, and there's no better tool for the job than Google Analytics. So, if you've ever wondered, what is Google Analytics, you are in the right place. Let's get started. What is Google Analytics? Understanding Google Analytics. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's answer the fundamental question, what is Google Analytics? Simply put, it's a powerful web analytics service offered by Google that tracks and reports website traffic. But it's so much more than that. Google Analytics provides a treasure trove of data about your website visitors. You can see where they're coming from, what they're doing on your site, and even how long they're staying. This information is invaluable for making data-driven decisions to improve your website. Setting up Google Analytics. Getting started with Google Analytics is easier than you might think. First, you'll need a Google account. If you don't have one, sign up, it's free. Once you have your Google account, you can create a Google Analytics account. After that, you'll receive a unique tracking code that you'll need to add to your website. This code is what allows Google Analytics to gather data about your site. Key features of Google Analytics. Now that you have Google Analytics up and running, let's explore some of its key features. Audience Overview. This section gives you insights into your website's visitors, including their demographics, location, and the devices they're using. Acquisition. Here, you can see where your traffic is coming from, whether it's from search engines, social media, or other websites. Behavior. This section tells you what your visitors are doing on your website. You can track which pages they visit, how long they stay, and more. Conversions. One of the most critical aspects. Conversions track specific actions on your site, like form submissions or product purchases. Real-time. Want to see what's happening on your site right now? Real-time data shows you just that. Advanced tips and tricks. Now that you're familiar with the basics, let's explore some advanced tips to make the most of Google Analytics. Goal tracking. Set up goals to measure specific actions on your site, like newsletter sign-ups or video views. E-commerce tracking. If you run an online store, e-commerce tracking helps you understand your sales performance in detail. Custom reports. Tailor reports to your unique needs. Create custom dashboards to focus on what matters most to you. Annotations. Keep track of important events or changes on your website by adding annotations to your timeline. Integrations. Connect Google Analytics with other tools like Google Ads to get a comprehensive view of your online efforts. Congratulations! You're now well equipped to make the most of Google Analytics. Remember, the key to success is not just collecting data but using it to make informed decisions that drive your online presence forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Connect us via social media. Contact us via. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep optimizing and keep succeeding in the digital world.